Do you feel like some one-on-one?
Alright, the trip's all set up. We're meeting 17 investors in Europe and another 2
Hey.
added to Italy. We don't make this.
Why you always have to jump on me when I'm trying to eat something?
With my best friend. Well, former best friend. I've been
And on top of it,
hard to trust people lately.
you don't realize how much weight you have gained. And when you're on my head and on my shoulders like this here, you're pretty heavy. Now that's heavy right there. You don't realize how heavy that is.
That probably tells you.
I am not made out of concrete.
No chance better than no chance, right? Nice.
So you should just get down and just mind your own business.
Anyways, I should probably get going. Something I need to do.
Please don't try to put your tongue on my cup.
Thank you, Linda, and hope to see you again soon.
Yeah. Hey, friend me if you want. My username on Pix is ratgirl95.
Of course it is. See ya.
Bye.
Yes, I
You
am.
can't even have any of this here
So, English is my mouth. What do you mean?
because you eat canine food.
Might as well tell you.
And on top of it, you are on a bland diet.
Before I went to your house, I was.
So you know you can't have any of this here. No, you can't. None of this here. This is human food. You are on a bland diet for the moment and limited from human food. Say pause out. Pause out, pause out, pause out, pause out. You smell it up. That smell good, don't it? You smell it on my fingers. As Rocky would say, I'll be back. Click that like button. Subscribe, please. Pause out. Peace to all.